Good morning, wonderful world of YouTube. Hope you guys are having a swell morning. Got some more concrete prep to do today. I can't say that fast. Concrete prep. So that's getting us lined out of how far off the building the sidewalk has to go. We're not sure on the elevations yet, but we're thinking it's going to be about flat with that one over here, a few feet off the edge of the building. I don't think we're going to get to that side today, but we'll see how time goes. So I'm going to load out, take off the muck, because we're about at grade probably. So I'm going to take the muck, throw it in the hydrema, figure out something else to do with my life. Give me a little level spot here so I can dig this out, clean up some of this trash in the process. This is where the dumpster was sitting, so it's full of trash. Why do I have my hard hat on? Bucket probably better to do this crap. Scrape out all that wood and junk. Excuse me, I was late breakfast. Just gonna scrape off the muck on top for right now until we get an elevation. Knock out all that dirt. Push all that trash in my blade as I move. Oh great, it's starting to rain. I'm not gonna use too much gravel, just a couple inches. That's all I need. a stopping point real quick. Something's not right with these elevations. We got to get it re-engineered or something, because there's 6 inches of fall within 6 feet. From there to there, there's 5 feet, another foot. There's 6 inches of fall. That's like that, within 6 feet. So, and this is all coming down like this, and this will come down like that. And that won't work out that way. So it's gonna get re-engineered, kind of on standby right now. So I gotta figure out something else to do. All right, so to keep busy, I'm gonna do something productive. I want to get some rock into these little, if I can get stable, get some rock into these little, what do you call them, mailbox pads, I guess you call them. Alright, so while we wait for all paperwork to come back on all of that, our stockpile is getting pretty messy. Let's see, we got a pretty big stockpile. It goes back another probably 100 feet or so. Yeah, it's got some good dirt, probably 15 foot high or so. That's a lot of dirt. So anyway, from us just recently dumping everything, and we're just gonna tidy up a little bit. I'm sitting on a bunch of mud, so I'm hopefully not sinking too bad. I'm just going to bring everything to about that level and then kind of taper it down. So hopefully my excuse me, the main goal is to be able to back the haul truck up here and just dump as you go, and then go through and just clean up the flatten out the piles. That's my theory anyway. Hopefully it'll be a little more efficient. The mud is heavy. In with this not so goopy stuff, and hopefully it'll harden up or something. So hopefully something good happens. If not, then whatever. Not the end of the world. It was the first time playing in mud. Have another machine or two other machines out here that could get me from, if I got stuck and I sunk too much, then I would move. But we got the haul truck right there, skid steer right there. If I sink, then you know, got a couple of things to pull me out. kind of pulling it to me as I'm digging it. Bring it closer. And the reach is far, faster, you know, all the above.